Hello, I'm Jia. I'm going to make Gungjung-tteokbokki today. If you heard about tteokbokki, you can associate spicy tteokbokki. Actually, in Korea, there are two different types of tteokbokki. The spicy one, which is regular tteokbokki, and Gungjung-tteokbokki, if I translate in English, is royal tteokbokki. Today, I'm going to make royal tteokbokki, which is soy sauce based. Let me introduce the ingredient that I'm going to use my tteokbokki today. I have tteok. So tteokbokki tteok, the rice cake looks like this. So I'm going to use this one, carrot, onion, 1 clove of garlic, spring onion, and I have julienne beef here. Here's my rice cake. I'm going to pour cold water over my rice cake so that it doesn't get too dry. So in this condition, I'm going to leave for a while. I want to make a sauce for my meat. First, I'm going to chop my garlic. Now I want to measure the sauce. I'm going to use about half teaspoon of garlic, soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, a little bit of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, so if you want to use white sugar, I recommend to reduce in half because white sugar is sweeter than brown sugar. A little bit of sesame oil, black pepper, and then I'm adding the meat to the sauce. Make sure the meat is well mixed with the sauce. I'm going to use this as a lid, like this, and then I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to julienne the carrot. So I'm using about 1/4 of the carrot. So I'm going to put back to the tray. And then for the onion, I'm using half of the onion. Just slice them. Again, I'm going to put back to the tray. And the green onion. Doesn't have to be too small. You don't have to cut in an inch size or so. So all the ingredients that goes to my tteokbokki is prepared now. Heat up the pan, medium to medium high heat. Put a little bit of cooking oil. So make sure the pan is heated. I'm going to start from onion. The same pan, drizzle a little bit of oil, and then I want to do my carrot. Carrot we normally eat fresh, raw, so you don't have to stir fry for too long. Again, need to put back to the plate. For the meat, I'm not adding anything, no oil. Just add meat to it. I think I'm done. Again, I'm going to transfer the meat to the plate. The vegetables are all cooked. The meat is also cooked. From now on, I'm going to cook and season my rice cake. Okay. And pour 1 cup of water. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. A little bit of brown sugar. So the rice cake is still hard to soften, and also to season the rice cake, I'm going to braise my rice cakes in a sauce. So the rice cakes is being cooked in a seasoned sauce. So I'm going to wait until the sauce is almost gone. So the rice cake is going to absorb the sauce. So it will take about 4 to 5 minutes. The rice cakes looks a little bit shiny and soft. So if you have chopstick or fork, you can test like this. See? So which means that it's soft now. And the sauce has been reduced almost half. So everything goes back. Mix toss like this. Sprinkle spring onion. There's a little bit of sesame oil on the top and the black pepper. See how colorful it is? In Korea, we like to eat tteokbokki as a snack. We have starch, protein, a few different vegetables in here. It's a perfect meal actually. So let me plate it now. My tteokbokki to the plate. It's really easy to make, and actually this kind of tteokbokki can be eaten from children to anyone. Also for those people who cannot or don't like spicy, I recommend to start from royal soy sauce based tteokbokki. So this was my Gungjungtteokbokki. I hope you try this at home. Thank you for watching. See you next time.